Looking at this limit here, if we were to try doing direct substitution and we plug in 0, well, 2 minus 0 plus 4 is 4 square roots. We'd have 2 minus 2 in the numerator, 0. And then, of course, we can't put 0 in the denominator. So this is going to be an indeterminate form, 0 over 0. That means that we can definitely find the limit by using cancellation. Not really, can't use factoring methods here, right? But I can, and I have to, get rid of this square root. That's the biggest problem. A lot of times people are going to say, oh, just square everything. That'll get rid of the square root. But it won't, right? Because we would have to square this binomial and we would still end up with a square root. So the only way to get rid of it in the numerator is to multiply by the conjugate. The conjugate is the difference of squares pair to this binomial in the numerator. So I would do 2 plus square root of x plus 4, and then, of course, we have to multiply the denominator by that same thing. All right, simplifying it out. All right, since it's the difference of squares, I'm going to square this term, square that term, keep the subtraction symbol in between. So 4 minus x minus 4, right? Technically, this x plus 4 here is in parentheses because it's locked inside that square root. See, a lot of people mess that up, right? Then we have to distribute the negative to both terms inside there. All divided by x times 2 plus square root of x plus 4. Now, I don't waste my time going through and distributing that x through because, as you'll see, we'll be able to cancel it. So when I distribute this negative up here, we got 4 minus x minus 4. So those 4's are going to cancel. And we're left with the limit of x over x times 2 plus the square root of x plus 4. And what do you know? The problem spot? Chop, chop. So we're now looking at the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 over 2 plus square root of x plus 4. Well, now it's no big deal. I can plug in 0 for x, no problem. When we plug in 0 for x here, we're going to end up with 1 over 2 plus square root of 2, which is 1/4.